Hi, join me to have a quick view of Old Quarter neighborhood at Hanoi. 36 streets of Old Quarter is a mix of Vietnamese ancient shops and fabulous street food. You can see bicycle vendors selling fresh flowers and fruits. You can explore by walking with the guidance of Google Maps to find popular food nearby and eat like locals. The streets here are always busy and crowded with tourists and local vendors. You can bargain and buy local clothes, souvenirs, and household items at cheap prices. You can also book your local tours to travel around and exchange currency at any of local tour booking centers here. You must try famous Vietnamese egg coffee, Banh Mi, chicken pho at these streets. Hanoi Train Street is a popular attraction here. Have a virtual tour of Old Quarter and the rest of the video. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.
Thank you.